Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across Europe over the next couple of days, where for many, high pressure is the dominating feature. It's keeping things dry, good deal of sunshine and very mild as well. We've got fronts draped across the western side of Europe, and they will come close to the western side of Europe and the British Isles at times, also bringing some strong winds this weekend across the Canary Islands. We've also got some strong winds across Italy, down through the Adriatic into Greece, Cyprus and Turkey as well. And here with an area of low pressure, we've still got some very heavy showers, some snow as well over the hills of Greece and Turkey. As we head further west, here's where we've got our area of high pressure. Lots of sunshine across Iberia into France, 22 Celsius in Lisbon on Sunday afternoon, 15 in Paris, 16 in London. Things looking milder with some sunshine across much of western Scandinavia. Could still find some snow for a time across the far north of Norway. As we go into Monday, we've still got some of these showers lingering into parts of Greece and Turkey. Slowly things do start to improve here. Again, further west, we've got a good deal of sunshine and still very mild. Little change in our city outlook. Lots of sunshine in London and Paris, and still on the mild side for this time of year. Further east, things won't be quite as cold as they have been recently. Still some snow for a time in Moscow, but look how things improve in Athens, sunshine returning and temperatures rising. Hello, we've been seeing some disruptive rain and snowfall across parts of North America in recent days, and torrential rain across southeastern states. You can see this area of cloud here. Then we've been seeing some disruptive snowfall across the Four Corners. That's now starting to work its way north and eastwards, and these two systems combine through the weekend. On its northern edge, we continue to see further snow and strong winds, so blizzards extending from the Midwest up towards the Great Lakes. And also on its southern flank, more torrential rain with an increasing risk that we're going to see some damaging winds and perhaps tornadoes across parts of the Ohio, Tennessee and Mississippi valleys. Across to the Pacific Northwest, and we've got more rain and snow working its way across British Columbia down into parts of Oregon as well, but things turning drier with increasing amounts of sunshine across California, Arizona and into Utah. So here are the city forecasts over the next few days. Should be mainly dry with some spells of sunshine in Vancouver on Sunday and Monday. Outbreaks of rain in Seattle, but dry with some sunshine in San Francisco and LA. Much messier picture further south and east. You can see some torrential rain, strong winds, as I mentioned, the potential for some tornadoes through the Ohio, Tennessee and Mississippi valleys. Further south into Florida, strengthening breeze, but it should be mainly dry with some sunshine in Miami over the next few days. The rain eventually arrives into New York with some snow into Montreal. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll get the forecast for Central America, Mexico and the Caribbean in just a moment's time. First to South America, let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. This area of cloud has been bringing some very heavy rain across northern parts of Argentina, and behind it we're seeing some cooler air starting to push its way northwards. Now this zone of rain will then work its way into Uruguay. Ahead of this, still dry, plenty of sunshine, but a lot of showers through the Amazon basin into northeastern parts of Brazil, and some of those showers just fringing southern parts of Colombia, eastern areas of Ecuador, extending down into parts of Peru as well. The driest of the weather across Brazil continues to be down these eastern coasts, but showers will begin to work their way towards Rio over the next few days. Some very heavy rain for a time in Buenos Aires. As that clears, we'll see the temperatures dipping. Further south across Chile, we've got a little bit of snow for a time across the Andes. So you can see those showers start to settle in into Rio de Janeiro over the coming days. As the rain clears from Buenos Aires, the temperatures do start to slide away, but still pleasantly warm in the sunshine. One or two showers across the southeastern parts of Mexico, but for most it's a dry day on Saturday. The showers perhaps a little bit more frequent as we head down into Guatemala, into Nicaragua. It should be mainly dry. Any showers here quite well scattered, and a good deal of dry, fine weather across much of the Caribbean over the coming days. Temperatures in the low 30 Celsius. Little change in our city forecast. Perhaps a bit of rain for a time in San Jose, but otherwise it stays mainly dry with a good deal of sunshine. Hello, we'll take a look at the forecast for the Middle East in just a moment's time. First to Africa, and we'll start with the earlier satellite picture. So where our cloud is whitest and brightest is where we've been seeing some of the heaviest showers in the last 24 hours. Now, not as many as we've been seeing just recently, and the main focus of the showers over the next few days will be across Madagascar, quite frequent here, extending across into Tanzania, may just fringe parts of Kenya, then working away north and east up towards the Gulf of Guinea. Could just see a few showers as well for the far north of Libya, just fringing challenging parts of Tunisia, still on the cool side for our North African coast. So here are the city forecasts over the next few days. Could see a little bit of rain for a time in Cape Town on Tuesday. Also some outbreaks of rain in Johannesburg on Monday and Wednesday. In between, we'll find some spells of sunshine. Good deal of sunshine in Khartoum. Very hot here. Sunshine continues in Casablanca and just about dry for much of the week in Kinshasa. Maybe some rain here by the time we get to Thursday. Now, keeping an eye on what's happening in the eastern Mediterranean, because this will be working its way eastwards through the Levant across into Iran and Iraq by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. More rain and snow here, but on Sunday it's looking dry and quiet with a good deal of sunshine. Temperatures have been rising over the last few days across much of the Middle East, so 29 Celsius, the top temperature in Riyadh on Sunday afternoon. Now, that may just slide away slightly as we go through Monday, but always in the mid to high 20 Celsius. Could see some outbreaks of rain in Q8 by Wednesday and Thursday. Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia. And in the coming days, there are an increasing number of severe weather warnings across northern and northeastern states of India. And that's because we're expecting to see more widespread thunderstorms developing, bringing some torrential rain and perhaps some large hail as well. So we go through Saturday night and into Sunday. Things are staying fairly quiet for many and mostly dry. And in fact, on Sunday, the showers should be fairly few and far between. Most having a largely dry day, plenty of sunshine, one or two showers close to Sri Lanka, but even here should stay mainly dry. Let's head further north now. Things are quite quiet across Central Asia. A lot of dry weather, albeit fairly cold to the north of Kazakhstan. As we head further south, we're looking at around 12 Celsius in Tashkent, increasing amounts of sunshine as we move into Pakistan, down through the western Ghats into Kerala and Karnataka. Lots of sunshine here on Sunday. That sunshine extends into the Maldives, should be shower free here just about, and also mainly dry in Sri Lanka. Into Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, into Orissa and up towards Bangladesh. Again, mainly dry with a good deal of sunshine. Here are the city forecasts over the next 5 days. Similar conditions in Mumbai, lots of sunshine here, a little bit cooler for a time. Showers, though, never too far away from Colombo, perhaps increasing in number. Little change in Tashkent on the mild side here, some spells of sunshine. Could see some thunderstorms around New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll talk about ex-tropical cyclone Omar and its impacts for the Queensland coast in just a moment's time. First, to Typhoon Wu-Tip. Here it is on the earlier satellite picture. It is likely to stay out at sea, but could well bring some strong winds and some heavy rain for a time to Guam over the next few days. Let's head further north now into eastern China. Some outbreaks of rain, particularly into Taiwan. Some of that just clearing away from the eastern side of Japan, but behind it, plenty of sunshine. That sunshine extends into the Korean peninsula. A lot of cloud around for southern and eastern parts of China. Some occasional rain here. A good deal of sunshine across much of Indochina, but still plenty of heavy thundery showers through Indonesia and Malaysia. We've seen some recent flooding in Papua New Guinea. Here are the city forecasts for the next 5 days. Sunshine continuing in Osaka and in Beijing. Things turning a little bit milder in Seoul. Lots of fine dry conditions in Bangkok. Across to Australia. So this area of cloud and rain here is what was Cyclone Omar. It's now an ex-tropical cyclone, but still bringing some dangerous waves and surf to the Queensland coast. Some strong winds here. Still very warm, if not hot, across southern parts of Australia. A bit more unsettled across New Zealand. We've still got some outbreaks of rain across the North Island. They will be slowly pulling away. Behind it, some spells of sunshine, but still a scattering of showers. But the temperatures start to rise in Wellington, looking mainly dry in Sydney. Could see some rain here midweek, and still very warm in Melbourne and Perth.